part of top 200 is the Rewa University, and NRF have ranked them between 201 to 250 for engineering. ARIA has ranked them between 6th to 25th ranking, that is the band A. And if you see from GHRDC MBA, it's a B school ranking of 2020 is 19th rank in outstanding category and 13th position in Karnataka state-wise. So even the MBA college is well ranked. These are some more MBA college rankings. The week has ranked it as 8th best private B schools in Bangalore, 29th and 89th in all India basis. MDRA has ranked, again it's a BBA program. It's a top 50 B schools in India, A7 band by business standard. Outlook has ranked it as 23rd position in top 50 private university, as well as CSR has ranked them into most promising B school as a third rank, right? So all of this, and even India Today have ranked it 9th position in Bangalore and 135th position in all India, right? So this is on a very high level. I will also take the infrastructure tour, the college, the MBA program, the MBA cutoff, the MBA placement, and everything. So don't skip any portion, because it will help you. And these are the great amount of infrastructure facilities that's there, being auditorium, seminar halls, or be it the sports, gazebos, the open spaces, transportation, brand store, food court. So the type of amenities you can dream about in a very great college environment, all of them are here. And any of these categories where you have a great interest, be as sports, you can definitely enjoy a great environment here. And these are some more, right? Library and information center, all good infrastructure there. Students club, many of them are there. Hostels are both for boys and girls, completely green lush open air theater you can find here. And guest houses. So I will show you the pictures of some of the very high level infrastructure, so that you don't need to go for any campus tours. But I have made a campus tour also of this college on my channel. You can visit that also if you want a video review. But in such general, right, as I said, there's a good number of acres of green park and green open theater, right? So which makes your environment very good. So this is called the Saugandhika, the green park. And they also build the gazebos of areas like a Gurukul system, right? And these are some of the in pictures of the auditorium and the seminar. Many of them are there, and all of them are very good for teachers association, seminars, workshop, guest lectures, and you can name it, right? These are actually the smart classrooms. So you can see what great environment you are going to study in case you select this college, and it's a superb. Nothing to say about the library information center. This is absolutely great infrastructure here, also part of this superb area. And the lot of student club, as I mentioned, which will help you in your professional network and enjoyment of your college life, basically, right? And more than students club, they also have a good amount of sports infrastructure, part of the college, right? So you have you name the sports, right? Be it the cricket, be it the hockey, be it any other sports like kabaddi or basketball, volleyball, all of those infrastructures are quite great, and you don't have to worry about this environment. They do have a good university brand store of itself, student housing, right? So this is what I was saying. Their own brand store into the campus you can buy, and within the campus itself, a lot of your apparels, goods, and all. They have the very good hostels both for boys and the girls within the campus, within the lush green campus. So there is absolutely no issues or no facilities dearth you will find in this campus. You will get a food courts, which are again having coffee days, or the you get all of North Indian, South Indian, Indian, Chinese foods, all everything you can think about, dream about is there in that, right? Even your relatives are coming, and the guest house, to accommodate the delegates, stakeholders, and invitees of the staff members, right? So all of them are there. Now quickly we'll start with the MBA college review. So the MBA college is called the Rewa Business School, and this allows for the dual specialization. It's approved by UGC and AICTE, and it has got a flexi time credit system, and it has actually provides for promote leadership, change makers, entrepreneurship, and a lot of things, right? So this is extremely good program here, and they do actually offer two programs. One is MBA and the second is the PhD in management. So MBA is my focus area in this because it's relevant to PGCET admission, which is going right now, and the mode of their education is towards presenting a lot of single and the group presentation, role plays, team building activities, and the practical exercises and the jam sessions, right? So it's all done on a very skill oriented program, as you know. So admission process, as you know, you are here. So I mean, for MBA, it is, you can either write REVA MAT, which is the REVA Management Aptitude Test, or you can take any of the other exams. You can see, find here, right, like CAT they accept, MET accept, and they accept state government exams like PGCET, which you are I have mentioned earlier also. And with the PGCET respect, this is my another video where I have given the cutoff of top 50 MBA colleges in Karnataka, and you see REVA University here. So cutoff for REVA University through PGCET is 4903, and the college code is B260. So if you're looking for REVA University, this is the college code B260, cutoff 4903. And also, if you're looking parallel college like REVA, these are the list, and go and check that video. You will have 50 top best colleges, right? And this MBA program is also led by good number of international partnership and the MOUs which REVA University has signed. So these are some of the international universities where they have an exchange program. So you get about this environment. Overall placement as 2021. So you see 450 plus companies visit this, and around 2,100 job offers, including engineering, management, and all of them. And the highest salary at REVA is 24 lakhs. So that's quite good, And these are some of the companies which I mentioned. There are 400 plus. So these are some of them, like, which are visiting for different courses, being the MBA, including MBA. So you see Dell, AMC, KPIT, IBM, Philips, Deloitte, Infosys, some of them for IT companies. Then you see all of other area, multinational companies like Amazon, Goldman Sachs, Standard Chartered, banking side, and Cerner, right, Fujitech, Unisys, AWS, Tata, Alexis, and so on. Now coming to this is MBA placement detail for this college. So REVA University, if you see, the total MBA strength is 281, out of which 176 students got placed. So that is quite good. Almost 70 to 80% placement is what you can get here. And median salary is 4,66,000. Previous year also, if you see 18-19, median was 5 lakhs. And you also see the number of students placed are 201 out of 264. That is quite good placement, around 80%, again 70 to 80%. And in the previous year also, if you see, 185 students got out of place, so close to 90%, right? So and median was 4 lakhs. So you see, close to 5 lakhs is the median salary for last 3 years performance basis, and the placement percentage is also 80%.